Hey, this is George, and welcome back to George Basic Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate eSIM on your phone. So, first of all, you need to go to Google, search, and write this simple keyword inside the Google search, activate eSIM, and you need to open the first result. You will be redirected to the EE official website, and right here you will see the full instruction what you need to do. So first of all, you need to put your SIM into your device, and then you need to click this button right here, activate your new SIM online. You can open it on different tab, and you need to choose the type of your SIM, then click activate right here, enter your mobile phone number, and click send pin right here, guys, and they will text you one-time pin to activate your new SIM or eSIM. The activation of the eSIM is the same process, guys. So enter the mobile phone number, click send pin, and then you need to wait a signal and the E symbol to appear on your screen. This can take up to 24 hours, but usually it's much quicker. Also, if you're the user of the Apple, there is additional instruction for you. So if you're using Apple device, you may also need to refresh iMessage so it connects with the right number. So you need to go to the settings, go to the messages, then turn iMessage off, wait 10 seconds, and then turn iMessage on again. Then go to the settings, phone, and make sure my number shows you correct the mobile phone number. Then tap my number and type in your correct number if these tabs don't work. So this is the full instruction how to activate eSIM or eSIM. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.